some of the notable health benefits of chili peppers. Chili pepper, also known as chili in Nautal, Nautal, are cultivated for their pungency and are several types of the berry fruit of plants in the genus Capsicum, a member of the nightshade family Solanaceae. Solanaceae, chili peppers are frequently used as a spice to add heat to foods in many different cuisines. This here discuss the some amazing health benefits of chili. Chili, commonly known as chili pepper, is a member of the capsicum family, which means that chili is a fruit rather than a vegetable. Chili should not be combined with fruit salad unless you want to add a little of the fiery heat to your salad. Chili is highly famous all over the world, and it appears that every nation has its own kind of dish that claims to be the hottest in the family. The crucial health benefits of chili peppers are: number one, synthesize collagen, one essential protein that helps maintain healthy cells and hastens cell regeneration is collagen. Your skin will look younger and more luminous thanks to collagen. Along with maintaining the integrity of bone mass, collagen also helps to keep blood vessels flexible. Chili can provide the vitamin C that the body requires in reasonably large amounts to create collagen. Osteoarthritis treatment. As was already discussed, osteoarthritis is a painful condition that can occasionally be intolerable because capsi, capsian, capsaicin is one of the compounds that is mostly found in chili and has been shown to be useful in treating the disease. Ask your doctor if you might take medication that contains it. Cure certain cancers. According to research, the humble ingredient capsia, capsia, capsaicin is anything but simply because it has the ability to stop the progression of prostate cancer. Additionally, chili has strong anti-cancer properties due to its abundance of antioxidants and high vitamin C content. Fourth, movement booster. Why is chili regarded as a circulation enhancer? Don't discuss science, just try to recall what happens when you consume anything spicy. Because of your excellent metabolism throughout your body and normal blood flow, which ensure that the oxygen is carried throughout your body as effectively as possible. You may feel as though you have more energy than usual. Since cells need oxygen, one of the essential substances to regenerate. Organic pain reliever. Capsaicin plays a crucial role in effectively treating symptoms of condition including arthritis, pain, and diabetic neuropathy, which can cause agonizing pain. It most likely has something to do with the searing sensation, which can dull the sensory nervous system. Capsaicin may also be able to cure migraines, according to several studies. However, further research is still needed to back up this claim. Diabetic friendly cuisine. Additionally, chili is regarded as one of the foods that are healthy for those with diabetes, particular type 2 diabetes. In order to lower blood sugar level after eating, the rate of insulin is often increased. However, insulin is not utilized to its full potential in type 2 diabetes, which raise the blood sugar levels. Chili will reduce the quantity of insulin produced as part of your diet, preventing a rise in blood sugar levels. Speed up metabolism. If you want to live a healthy life, you must have a healthy metabolism. A healthy metabolism entails that your heart is pumping blood at its maximum capacity. All of your cells are receiving enough oxygen and your body is properly protected from both internal and external factors. Chili, however, possesses every quality necessary to guarantee each of those things. To guarantee each of those things. Arthritis treatment. Capsaicin won't suddenly heal the disease, but numerous studies have shown that it works well to relieve arthritic pain. Therefore, avoid attempting to consume chili to treat your arthritis. Even though there are many capsaicin containing medication and supplements available today, these should only be used as directed by a physician. Triglyceride level control. Similar to how chili might have lowered cholesterol, the same chemical also has the power to lower triglycerides and stop all disease brought on by an unregulated triglyceride levels. Therapy for the sensory nerve. The same substances, capsa- capsaicin, has been used as a treatment for sensory nerves, which is still connected to point number one. In other words, arthritis, pain, and other inflammatory related illness can be efficiently treated with capsaicin, jalapenos, jalapenos, and other foods with a spicy flavor typically include capsaicin. Although chili has the highest concentration of the family's capsaicin compounds, weight loss. Unbelievable as it may seem, including chili in your diet when trying to lose weight is advised. You will undoubtedly sweat if you experience a burning feeling, which indicates that you have extended energy and must burn calories. It's because chili contains a chemical that causes you to require more oxygen than usual. The result is comparable to how you feel after working out. Strokes risk must be reduced. When the heart has to work too hard, there are two chronic illnesses. The first occurs when the heart is functioning above its capability, while the second occurs when the brain does not receive enough blood and oxygen. Stroke survivors frequently experience nerve issues that can result in a condition known as disability. Combat inflammation successfully. Capsaicin serves more purposes than only providing chili. With its characteristic burning sensation, it also helps to successfully combat inflammation by obstructing or neuropeptide related chemical. Since chili contains the most capsaicin, eating chili frequently may help with the condition. Stabilize blood cholesterol. Numerous studies have demonstrated that capsaicin in chili plays a substantial impact on lowering blood cholesterol levels. Capsaicin may enhance the ability to break down fibrin while decreasing the formation of LDL, the bad cholesterol, and increasing the production of HDL, the good cholesterol. Good for sex. Kenny helps spice up your sex life in the same way that it is hot on the tongue. Capsaicin, an ingredient in hot peppers, increase erection, increases erection, including blood flow and circulation. Eat the peppers when you are prepared to go once already geared to already prepared to go since they take effect right away. Heat study, heat, heel stuffed nose, heel stuffed nose. Given that the disease is less severe than congested lungs, if capsaicin could treat congested lungs, it stands to reason that it would also be beneficial in treating clogged noses. Chili's spicy heat will have to remove the mucus and make it much more flexible. Following a bowl of hot soup, you might bid your stuffy nose farewell. Keep blood clots at bay. Chili contains water soluble antioxidant vitamin C that supports a number of proteins important for preserving the health of blood vessels, along with capsaicin, which helps lower levels of LDL cholesterol, because LDL contributes to the buildup of plaques in the blood vessel that leads to blood clots. Organic defense against free radicals. Free radicals are becoming more and more difficult to avoid in today's world due to pollution. If you cannot avoid it, make sure you defend yourself internally. You need antioxidant to combat free radicals, and chili contains a variety of them, including vitamin A, flavonoid, beta carotene, lutein, volexanthin, cyanopic acid, and ferulic acid. Good for the heart. Based on some of the earlier arguments made, chili, which is high in vitamin C, and capsaicin is very beneficial for the heart. In addition, chili contains a substantially higher amount of potassium than sodium. One mineral that is excellent for the heart is potassium, which works for eliminating excess sodium from the blood to regulate blood pressure and heart rhythm. Treat a digestive issue. Various causes may contribute to intestinal issues, but chili has several qualities that may be advantageous for the digestive tract. First, chili's antibacterial properties will ensure that no bacterial infections are present in your intestines. Second, the fiber in chili will bind some extraneous substances in your intestinal tract so that they can be washed out of your body system. Lower your heart attack risk. Blood clots cannot form in flexible blood channels, which indicates that the heart is beating normally. Heart attacks occur when the heart is overworked, which is typically brought on by blood vessel abnormalities. Heat clogged lungs. You are experiencing a lung congestion, right? Whatever the cause, eating spicy foods may help in naturally elevating the disease. This ailment may be brought on by a number of factors, therefore, consuming hot, spicy soup is advised for those who are recovering from cold. It is such a tasty way to improve bactericidal qualities. As we already noted, chili also has antibacterial qualities, making it useful in the battle against bacterial related illness. Consuming enough chili is beneficial for your digestive system. Antioxidant source. An antioxidant is necessary for your body because it is the sole way to ensure that it is shielded from free radicals. You must be aware that free radicals are the primary cause of the emergence of malignant cells and that they prevent the growth of new cells. Without new cells, you will age more quickly and be more susceptible to infections and viruses. Numerous antioxidants included in chili could add another layer of internal defense for your body. Avoid gastric ulcers. You have undoubtedly heard you have undoubtedly heard this a thousand of times. Chili is always linked to stomach ulcer. Well, it would appear that gastrointestinal issues are associated with chili. Although chili has antibacterial characteristics that are good for the stomach, if you consume it in excess, the effect is quite the reverse. Therefore, this statement is not exactly accurate. Booster of immunity. It is widely accepted that all foods strong in vitamin C are beneficial for immunity. Additionally, chili is high in beta carotene and provitamin A, both of which have similar effects on your immune system. As if it was not already potent enough, chili is also a strong source of antioxidant which will add an additional layer of defense for your body. Benefits for hair. By activating the hair follicle, canine, peppers, capsaicin aids in increasing hair growth. Not to mention, doing this promotes the growth of hair that is stronger and healthier. Additionally, capsaicin activates dormant hair follicles and aids in boosting hair volumes. Fertility. It is disputed if any of that is accurate. What is undeniable is that canine has been found to have a favorable effect on energy metabolism. Canine is a beneficial spice for fertility since it has a significant connection to female reproduction, hormonal control, and energy metabolism. Final thoughts. Chilies, which are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, have been discovered to help prevent some cancer and stomach ulcer, as well as other lifestyle related disorders. In the meantime, the pepper's capacity to generate heat within the body has also been related to weight loss and a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. The chili originated in Mexico, but today India is the country that produces, exports, and consumes the most chili. Chili has been used for both food and medicine ever since it was introduced to the world through the Columbian exchange and carried to Asia continuously by the Portuguese, Portuguese in the 16th country. Asia continental. Carried to the Asia continental by the Portuguese in the 16th century, chili has many qualities for the sake of health and beauty. And even if it is uncommon to find medicine or supplements made from chili, these advantages can be attained simply by adding chili as a spice food. Thank you. Subscribe, like, comments, and share.